How to fix TikTok login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are going to be discussing on how we can fix the TikTok login issue on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are three main reasons why this happens. The first is the application issue, the other is the account issue, and the third is the credentials issue. To get with the application issue, the issue could not be with your account or anything but with the TikTok app or the TikTok service themselves. So if the servers are down, there's really nothing you can do, but if the application is faulty, there are a couple of things you can do. Open up your Play Store, type in TikTok, and then check if the TikTok app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. After that, what you can also try to do is just go ahead and long press on the TikTok app icon over here, then tap on the I button that you see. Once you tap on the I button, what you want to do is go to the option called storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, this should solve your problem if it's the application issue, right? But if it's not the application issue, the second reason could be due to your account issue. And with account issue, I mean that TikTok actually restricting and limiting your account for a certain period of time. Because they notice some kind of spammy behavior from your account, they might restrict your IP address from accessing the TikTok service for a while. In that case, what you can try to do is the alternative solution is to simply switch your Wi-Fi if you have some other Wi-Fi, or else instead you can also actually turn on mobile data in order to solve the problem. If this doesn't help and you don't have cellular data available, in that case I'd recommend you to install a VPN that is available on your Google Play Store for absolutely free by dealing with a few bunch of ads, of course. And then after you use a VPN, you should be able to solve if it's the account issue. The third is the credentials issue, meaning that it could be the issue with your account password, your login email, or your phone number. So open up TikTok in that case, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and make sure that all your details are actually correct. So in order to actually recognize that, you can come to your profile page, tap on the sign up or the login button, go to the login page, make sure your username and everything is correct. If you forgot your password, you can go ahead and then reset your password in that case to fix the problem. Hope this video helped you and gave you some insights as to how you can fix the login error on the TikTok application on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.